Debbie. Put your packs on, kiddies.
I'll take them and pick it up.
Oh, it's heavy.
That's heavy.
Your backpack to try.
Oh.
For this video, we're going out to the same place we were in the last video. This time we're going to try some bait fishing. I bought a couple of the big chicken thigh fillets. Try some big chicken baits. And all the commenters told me they really work really good with cod, so try it. So you've seen the other video. This will be pretty similar, but hopefully there's fish in this one. And we've got some new backpacks to try too. So loaded up heavy. Bought some beer, some food, and tarp and that. We're just going to sleep in that tonight, and hopefully enjoy the video, and we'll see you when we get to the spot. Let's be gone, let's be wintered. I've got the dog and the two children. Should be good.
I always do that. I'm investing in that. Not by much.
You having a good time there, dog? I think the river's back up a little bit.
Is it?
I don't know. It's hard to tell. I'll know when we get down there for sure. It definitely looks a little bit higher, but how much, I don't know.
It's a random thing. I tried a duck, but it doesn't make any difference.
This is definitely where the well, if it comes up anymore, we'll get wet.
Oh, yeah.
But this is definitely where we were last time. Had our tarp around here somewhere. There's a bit of water, but still some dry up there. As long as it doesn't get up too much higher, we'll just see how boggy it is. And down there, the log in the water there, the log we're actually sitting on last time. But it's drying up here. Just have to try and flatten a bit of it out. And just only a few inches, maybe 6 inches, 10 inches of difference between being underwater or not. I think the water's actually been up and it's actually going back down. So we should be safe, hopefully. And I'll get off this thing and put this pack down and I'll suss it all out.
Ow, I just kicked the ground.
Looks good enough, I reckon. I'll take these back corners back. Find a couple of steaks. See up. And then I'll get, actually I might get kind of a cut stick for me.
He just put the dog put his legs down and like there's like a lunge.
Because he's got a little mongrel.
Dad, can I try your new axe?
Huh?
Can I try your new hiking axe?
Yeah. So what I want to do today, I'm going to do how we had it last time. Instead of the folded bit underneath, it's going to be folded like here. So there'll be that much room this time, George. Lift that corner out. Grab that corner there. So we'll get 2 sticks.
Is it in the top pocket?
Don't worry about it yet, Connor. It's packed in there hard. You can't get it out yet. I reckon we'll put a couple of sticks and we'll take it out. Like that. And we'll have other tarping so we get a lot. So we want a stick about that long. Up to there on me. Right, I want another stick the same length as this one, Connor. So I want another stick. you going there, Connor?
Bad.
Bad, you going bad?
Yeah, I can't cut it straight from the bit.
Oh, that's no good.
Oh, snapped out the seat.
One.
Okay, so about
Yeah. The bottom of your hand.
there, so there,
Yep.
that bit.
Right.
What are you going to do to play the tarp underneath it?
Yeah, we'll use the other part of the ground stick.
You're going to get it out. Okay. So I'm going to start making plywood.
If you want it, Connor.
Why do I have to do so much food? I'm going to honestly say. Uh-oh, the dog knows. Uh-oh. Don't you smell them ones, Toby?
Too bad. A bit of a wing lock there. You reckon these stuff will get hide yours?
Yeah, they think it's alright if you got hair to cover your neck like I do.
Grab your side and pull it up. Smells like campfire. Tarp that smells like campfire. I guess you've seen a few campfires. This one, isn't it? John's like, I don't know, I don't remember.
I'm calling out this side.
You didn't spread it out very well.
Hold on, watch out when you lean close to the water.
Rope's a bit long. 2 on the inside. 1 on the outside. Back through itself. Pull up tight. I think that's called taut lineage. Like a Prussic knot actually. You can see it's bloody handy when setting up tents even. Stuck a stick in, just we're on such a flat area, if the water comes up too much it could be an issue, so just to keep an eye on it. Handy even if you got a bit of rain around, you don't know if there's going to be any big flows. Stick a stick right in the water line, you know, sort of see, a few hours later you can see if it's going in or out or staying put at least. Hopefully it stays put or goes out. Hopefully. You've got a lot of food there, but John.
Yeah, I know. I got 2 jack of potatoes each for tea.
Oh, okay. That sounds good. Similar to last time.
Emma didn't figure out cheese or our butter.
Yeah, who wanted to try another? Actually, wanted to try that?
I did. Yes, I did.
Oh, you can have a swap around with it. Don't
Don't
lose the cover. Don't lose the cover and don't wreck it.
Jordan, please.
And whatever you do,
for me to cut.
don't cut yourselves with it. That's the most important thing. Sort of used to that.
It's alright, just put Connor on the edge.
Put the little one in the middle.
No! Connor goes on the edge. Where is he? What, following me? Come on. He's following you. Sit on the side. Oh, fluffy. Ready to jump out in Connor.
It'll blow up pretty hard with just your breath.
Which one's nicely good?
These things are, I don't think they've got any insulation value, but they're cheap, $35 to live or something on eBay. So far, it's been really good. I've flipped it down to about 5 degrees. Tonight's going to be closer to 0, so I've got a new sleeping bag too. It's a lot thinner. I'm not sure how that sleeping bag will go. If this continues to not get punches and be okay, then get a kid some as well. I think these hiker mats, something rolled out underneath them might make them a bit safer because they're thick. I don't know. I haven't had much to do with these type. It feels alright.
Oh, when you do it.
If I bought a bottle of whiskey with me, I'd sleep good again. I didn't bring no whiskey this time, but I got beer. So this is a little bag that I bought. 1.3 kilo weight, Caribbean deploy. It's meant to be rated for 0, but I tell you what, my other bag's rated for -2 and it's twice the weight. Just about twice the size, thickness wise, so we'll see. They're bragging on about these new synthetics, but I'll find out. It's going to be pretty close to 0 tonight, so see how I go. Inside, that should be alright, hopefully. See, now that I've talked about these on camera, I'll probably jinx myself. The bag's not going to be warm. I'm going to get flat in the middle of the night. Murphy's Law. Well, because there's more night fishing, I didn't have to rush so much today, so nothing's in a rush, that's good. I'll sit back and try a 6-pack of them in. Tell you what, my pack was too heavy. I carried all the food and then a 6-pack of beer in it. You know, about a 25 kilo bag, too heavy. Anyway, cheers for now. We've just got to gather some firewood, and then we will probably get a little fire happening. As it gets a bit closer to the dark, I'll get my fishing rod and that out and set that up. And yeah, that's it. Once I sort of get that in, I bought a fishing rod holder and everything. Hopefully sit there with a big fat lazy bait on it and see if I can catch a big fat lazy cod. And we'll have a fire and cook some tea, and I'll have a couple more of these and I should be right. Couple of pieces of wood. Put you the way, Toby. Got one on the noggin. It's quite pretty here. Now, the thing is, any boats come past, gotta watch out for their waves. Watch where you bit your fire and that, otherwise you'll get extinguished. Find some dry leaves, Connor. There's a few, and your little lighter.
Over there.
I'm going to say there's dry leaves here everywhere, so just find your little lighter out.
Yeah, I've got my little lighter.
You got your little lighter ready to go, yeah?
Yeah.
So,
Scaring the dog.
I normally try to do it upwind, so if the breezes today's coming from that way, from over there, so like this side of it.
Yeah. But I need to get the dry leaves.
Right, over there, there's already some under there, so.
Oh, Daddy's not cramping up.
Right them under there. Con?
So like the ones underneath?
Yeah. Yeah.
He's not cramping up, he's just so scared.
The dog is petrified of the scent of stacking, snapping twigs.
That didn't work.
You know, he's got a phobia of bug zappers and that's
Everything.
it. So now the dog's scared of
He's
the
scared
sound
of when their bin's here.
He thinks that's
Just that
thunder.
smart.
Scared of thunder and lightning. Scared of twigs
I'm
snapping.
surprised he's not scared of fireworks.
There's lots of things he probably should be scared of that he's not. And lots of things that he shouldn't be scared of that he is.
See, you find a good spot, Dad. You just get it perfect.
Take it easy, mate. Wait and see if it actually goes yet before you start things. Scared of when the fire starts too much too. We've got to keep an eye on it a bit because we'll let it burn up a bit. What are you doing? Getting your billy ready, Kai? Oh, what are you gonna have? What? Noodle.
What do you think I was going to have?
That's the beer I'm drinking. The Furbies. So, Small Creatures Brewery sort of developed the beer. As far as I know. And it's pretty tasty. How am I keeping them cold? I was sitting back before and thinking, I hope they don't think I'm drinking warm beer. So I've got some bacon. I've got some lamb chops and steak. I've got some chicken thigh fillets for using as bait. So that's all frozen. Chucked it in with some cold beers and You get a fair few hours of cold beers then, because all the meat, by the time that's thawed out, most of the beer should be gone. You know, I was looking at those camping chairs. Well, that'd be a great idea. They only weigh like a kilo. After my backpack today, I'm like, what can I get rid of out of my backpack? No, it actually wasn't too bad walking with it, but there is lots of extra stuff. You know, normally I wouldn't be carrying. If you're hiking, you wouldn't carry.
You wouldn't carry your packets of food and everything.
I wouldn't carry big potatoes, and I wouldn't carry an axe. I wouldn't carry any of that.
Yeah. Would you carry a knife or a hatchet?
I carry maybe a little hatchet, if you think you need it, if you're doing lots of camping and stuff, but you really probably don't for most of it. You can get away without it, it's just handy to have, yeah? I'd carry a knife, I wouldn't have the fishing gear and that. It all adds up, you know, a little mini tackle box, fishing rod, fishing reel, rod holders.
All the food.
None of them are very heavy by themselves, but start putting them all together in one bundle.
Bird.
And that new backpack, you fit a lot of stuff in there, I can feel it. Yeah, still not. Camp chair sound good?
Yes. When you said, as soon as you said, I'm like, that's what I need right now.
A camp chair. Oh, I don't care, Connor, you can cook on that if you want. You will just probably just cook on the fire, mate. You're only boiling water. So what I might do now is find out fishing rod.
Hold on, I have to open it where I don't miss it. I can open it with this.
Medium, light and fast. Should be just a ticket for this. Cold colour 251 is probably just about my favourite little reel for this type of stuff. I like the left hand wind. All right, doesn't matter. Some more, cast some more right and one on the left. Does it work out good? Bait wise, gonna try. One of the viewers on the channel, Prospector Pete. We go back all the way back to the prospecting forums. I'm going to try what you're saying about the chicken fillets. My next door neighbour uses them as well. It does some really good metre plus cod, so well, it's a bit cold for that prime time stuff, but you never know. People still catch them at night, so when they're still active, it's worth trying. Guys, I'm going to go a 6/0 hook, and not sure what number size it is, but a medium sort of bean sinker should do the job. Paternoster rig, get it up off the bottom. Braid, I quite often do a double cat's paw. If you get your sinker snagged, you'll break it, but if you straight line pull it to the hook, it's still a really strong knot. Actually, testing them with the scales is probably one of the strongest knots you can do in braid. It still gives you your dropper. Now, remember what it says about the chicken fillet baits. I'm guessing, I'm going to go sideways, my guess at what size you'd be using. I'm going to get a chicken, it's a chicken thigh, and I'll probably cut that in half. That's a pretty big bait still. And that's going to be how I do it. Just a paternoster rig. About 14-15 inches up the bottom. 6/0 hook. Medium bean sinker. And I'm going to try a half a chicken thigh. I think this spot will do. Not the easiest to cast out, but no reason, everything's all overhanging, so it's going to have to do. It's going to have to do. Now, in my stash of cold beer, this was one of the things that was helping keep it cold. A nice little chicken thigh fillet. My knife all dirty. I'm guessing maybe only 3 baits out of this size. I don't know, maybe I'm way off the mark. you know how big a bait I should be using when people talk about a chicken bait? To me, that's a pretty big bait for a freshwater fish, but maybe I'm way off. Anyway, that's what I'm going to try tonight. A 6/0 hook. Try more, leaving it as a bit of a tail hanging. That's a pretty big bait to me. I said maybe I'm way off it. If I'm meant to be using twice as much, let me know in the comments. Yeah, a bit of a side casting. There's another one. I flick it up there. I'm going to end up straight in that tree. It's a big bait. It's a bit of a current. Should be right. What can go wrong? Not very far. Maybe over 20 metres. It's alright, but that's gonna do. Not still much glowing. Faintly. Alright, now I'll just keep an ear out for that. Big old baits in there, we'll see what happens. The river's not really doing nothing, it's up a lot from when I was here last time, but it doesn't seem to be up and all down, so hopefully the fish will still be on. Try it. Anyway, kids are eating some noodles. Time to settle in for another beer and a bit more wood on the fire, I think.
Welcome to this place. It can't stop how wonderful.
I'll eat that thing, but it's just for right.
Would hurt your foot.
Yep. I don't know where you put your potatoes. Whoa.
Little,
Jesus Christ, I swear.
little
this smoke
tiny
just
little
won't leave me alone.
chops. Little tiny little lamb chops. It will probably be delicious.
Look where the smoke goes.
Extra trimmed cutlets. Have a look at them. It's like quail meat. Anyway. Oh, what's the dog doing?
He's walking around the fire watching you.
Oh, I'm sure he
No,
is.
but honestly, he didn't
Yeah, I'm
take
sure
your
he is.
eye off your hand. What is he doing?
Oh, eat that. A couple of porterhouse.
And you fit that all in the rack.
Yeah, it'll all fit. Don't worry about
Dad,
that.
look at the dog. He's honestly watching you.
And that little bag can go in the fire.
He's watching your every move.
And there's cheese and butter and bacon left for tomorrow.
I only got 4.
Come on, keep rolling.
They honestly all fit in together.
Oh, look at that. That is
I
fantastic.
said,
Lamb chops and steak. I let the potatoes simmer away a little bit more, yeah? I washed mine after I cut up that chicken.
oh, I would too.
Because I cut that raw chicken and it was like, raw chicken?
This is better.
Oh, that's better, is it, George?
Mhm.
Than what, the last one?
Yeah, it's honestly heaps better.
Ooh. Almost perfect, actually. A little bit over, but. Perfect. I think it's so good.
And salt and pepper makes it taste heaps better.
You just thieves. Thief right.
Toby, how do you, mate? So dog just got a can of dog food
Bones.
and he gets the lamb bones and everything like. And a bit of steak back, which is not too bad.
I'm going to come sit here, and then when the smoke disappears, I'll go sit back where I was, maybe.
Maybe. That is steak really
And
good.
Jordan reckons those nice little lamb cutlets, extra trim with taking all the fat off them, which is pretty hard to do with lamb. It makes them
They make
tiny,
them pretty tiny.
but it makes them pretty good, yeah. That's like.
This is nose comb.
We'll have to get some more sporks. These little ones are alright. I ditched the teaspoon and that was in my bag. I thought, well, one spoon, fork and thing can do both.
Dad, you
But I also quite like that one. You always enjoy that. It's alright too.
What? Dixie?
No, the so it's a spork with the
Oh, the
spoon
long
fork
handle.
combo. Yeah, the long handle, and then it's a spoon with little fork tines on the very end of the spoon, which is probably enough for just eating with.
You can see the dog in the background.
No, dog's in the shadows. Leave it to me. Chuck it to me. I'm all waiting. That one.
Get out of it. Dad, look.
That one. But I've got a knife. I've got a hot potato. Need a little bit of butter. Maybe a little bit more in that one.
Honestly, need more cheese.
Yeah, that nice lucky next
Oh, no cheese. Let's get that time. Getting some bites on the fishing rod. Some big hits and then instant stop. So, not sure about that. You've been listening to Midnight Oil and dancing like that. Anyway, so I'm going to leave the rod in, see how that goes. I've drank me 6 beers, we've had tea, it was delicious. Now it's a cup of tea, kids having a hot chockey, and probably after that, be bed. We'll see how we go.
Obviously.
It's still hot.
I still haven't drank a bit.
Oh, so it tastes like tea really bad. I was expecting coffee.
Well, you made the tea.
After this encounter, is that just a waste?
You throw it out. Oh, I'll tell you what, it feels like it's going to be really cold. So I'm going to try. I'm going to do it. I'm going to try, just like I normally would sleep. Yeah, I'm going to try. But I'm going to keep my clothes close by,
Yeah, I'm staying up for
just for shits and giggles, and see if I get cold. Because if I get cold, I got pants and jumper right behind me. There, I'll leave my socks on and a t-shirt on. Oh, and jocks. Right. My sleeping bag is a bit slippery on this airbed. Something new. I'll find out what that's all about. Anyway, I'll see you all in the morning. Good night.
I put my bed socks on still, so my feet are even warmer.
It's cold. Not terrible, but
Cold.
cold. What do you think? Craze got the fishing bait last night? I went quiet after a little while, didn't it?
Can I wind it in?
Oh, I'll tell you what.
Dear. Toby? Toby, at least you know he's not scared. Come on.
No bait. We kept on getting lots of like little tiny nibbles later on, and I think it might have just been, it is cray season, so there's probably some crays down there giving it a bit of nibble and slowly work that chicken off. So pretty uneventful on the fishing front, but worthwhile having a go. So I jinxed myself a bit last night when I went to bed. I said about the airbed and that being alright. I developed a small leak. So waking up a few times. That new sleeping bag got down to about 6, so I didn't get as cold as what we thought. The bag rate is 0, but I won't lie, I think it's a bit light on for 0. At 6 it was alright. Because the airbed was going a bit soft, when you touched the ground I could feel the cold coming up, so I did actually put my Dax and just a thin woolen jumper back on, and that would make me toasty warm. But it's I don't know, it's a funny bag to sleep in. It's very shiny on the inside, so it sort of gave me the impression of if it touched you it felt cold. But if you pulled up the draft stopper inside, the draft cord inside, it actually did warm up the bag. So it was warm, but I didn't feel cold, but I didn't feel real warm either. It just felt like adequate, so I'd prefer something a little bit warmer. I'm used to my blankets being a bit heavier. Maybe that's all it is. I'll try it a few more times. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't even know what he was growling on. Growling on. Growling for something before. He was born and then I called out his name and I was looking for him and it turns out he, what, the person on a cloud.
Oh, we'll see how this works. Haven't actually cooked in this little pan on the fire yet. But I know the titanium stuff needs a fair bit of oil because it doesn't transfer the heat very well. So you've got to go a bit heavy on the oil to give it some heat. We'll find out how it works with the bacon and eggs. Making the right sounds.
Hopefully the bacon's not savage.
Huh?
Hopefully the bacon's not savage.
Not savage, not poppy bacon, you reckon?
Yeah. You know what it's like.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about. Go back in there. Actually, Jordan, the other little food bag is the eggs and the wraps.
Is that in your bag?
Just our little green food bag on the ground over there. It's deep frying as much as anything. I don't need that much oil. Where did all that oil come from? Did I really put that much in?
Yes, it did.
I'll try that anyway.
I can pick up big daddy long legs. What about you, Dad? Do you pick daddy long legs up?
Oh, I'm not scared of daddy long leg spiders.
I'm doing it.
Well, that bit of oil definitely helps the titanium pans. A bit funny, not like cooking on aluminium. Aluminium sort of conducts the heat really good. The titanium is a bit, you have one spot hot and you put your finger right next to it and it's cold. It's crazy.
Yep.
Oh, it's hot.
We'll put a toe to that.
Just with a guess, you reckon?
What are the eggs?
Yeah, eggs are always challenge to cook at the best of times. Sorry, they're going to go in a wrap, so I'll just sort of break them up.
Eggs are on the
Look
look
at
at how
middle.
close they look. Look at that one, Tom. It's bubbling.
I want to see them get toasted right in the middle.
Dad, just...
Carrots a bit. Don't stick my lovely little bacon.
What?
I said, don't stick lovely little bacon.
Would you like to have my stuff cleaned out with
Without detergent, yeah. Once again, Jordan's one. Big camera memory card went out. And I forgot to bring my extra memory card. Jordan likes the eggs cooked extra much. That right there, Jordan?
Mm-hmm.
Too easy. Alright. And Connor doesn't want one. You had 2-minute noodles over egg and bacon. A bit late now.
I was thinking of having both, but...
It's messy to cook in.
Ew.
That will be a bit of a mission to cook. Clean.
It tastes pretty good.
Tastes pretty good.
That's going to be fun to clean.
Yeah, I know. I think that'll be wrap it up in something else and take that home and clean it. I didn't bring dishwasher liquid with me, so. Anyway, bon appetit. Alright, well that's the end of this trip. got a little bit of packing up to do now, and we'll walk back out, get back to the car and head home. I'll edit this video up and hopefully it's out tonight. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.